Hello guys, welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. Today I would like to share to you a tutorial on how you can share your files in Google Drive. So Google Drive has many files. So for example, you want to share a certain files or maybe folder to others, to colleagues, to your friends or family. I'm going to show you how. So you just need to click on the file, right click on the file, and then go to the share option here, and you just need to type in the email of the person that you want to add to the file. For example, just like that, and then you can choose the role of the person as a viewer, as a commenter, or as an editor, and then you can also notify them, and also write a message about this file. And if you're done, just click on send, and the file has been shared to your colleagues or friends. Okay, but if you want to share a folder, you can also do the same steps like this. Click on share and then type in the email of the person, or you can also share the link, copy and then copy link, and you can also copy link and also share it to your friends, maybe through WhatsApp, through email, or etc. And you can also choose it as restricted, so the person only the person that with link has can open this file, or also you can anyone with the link, and click done. Okay, so that's all. That is how you can share your files on Google Drive. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye bye.